How to add tracking number on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a tracking number on your Shopify products. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, usually what would happen is when someone buys the product for you, as you can see right here, I ordered it myself. So what happened over here is I already have the order, track with order shop. So if I click over here, this QR code pops up and I can just scan it with my phone and it will track it for me. All right. So I don't need to have that. The confirmation number is written right over here. So you don't have to worry about that. If you're wondering about the tracking order, well, when you get the email notification, as you can see right here, we have the order number right here, and we can view this order in the store or visit our website as well. It's very simple. Now, if you wanted to add a tracking number for yourself, your own custom tracking order for that order, what you will do is you click on the orders and you will see right here. As you can see, this is the order that I have right now. I ordered it myself. I click on the product, and what I have over here is, as you can see, request fulfillment. I click on request fulfillment, and over here I can go ahead and send fulfillment right here. You can add notes to send to Printify, to Printful, because since this is going to be, since I connected my Printful account right here, I could just say that this is a test or whatever. Don't send out this product, whatever. And I can just simply click on send fulfillment. I can even check this box. Now, once that's done, you should have an option right here when the fulfillment has been done. Right now it's in progress, but once it's done, like this one, you will have a button right here and you will click on it. You can add a custom tracking order number. Right now I already have it right here, so I don't need to add it. If I click on view your order, it takes us right over here onto this part of the website, as you can see. Now go ahead and track order with shop, and I can just simply scan it right here and it will be shown right here. Right now this is the address. So that's how you could basically find out the tracking order number. Now another thing that you can do is you can add your own proper page for tracking orders. So how you do that is by going over onto online stores, right? And you got themes, and you click on pages and you simply add a page. We'll call it track your order right here. Track your order. We'll call this the page. This is going to be the name of the page. And then right here in the content, we're going to add a piece of code, which is right here. So this is the piece of code that we're going to add. Don't worry, I will have it linked in the description below. So you can just simply click on the link and you will find it over here. Then you can just simply copy it, right? So just simply copy the code and then come back to the page and just simply paste it right here, as you can see, and then just simply click on save like so, and then you can go ahead and view your page right here. As you can see, oops, sorry about that, I forgot that I had to click on the show HTML button. Sorry about that. Let me just remove all of this and click on this button called show HTML and just simply paste the code like so, and then we just simply leave it as it is. Then we click over here and then we just click on this button called add to your store's navigation button so that it's added. Now if I come over here and if I reload it, sorry about that, it didn't save. Now we just simply click on the save, click on show HTML, we'll paste the piece of code right here. Now it says save. We're going to click on save. All right, and now we can just simply click on view page, and here we go. So very simple. This is how you do it. You just simply paste the code over here. You click on show HTML, as you can see right here. You paste the code and you click on save, and then you view the page, and then this is how it would look like. Then you can just simply enter in the tracking number and it would pop up right here. Now, next step, what we need to do is we need to add this page to our navigation right here. So for example, if I open up my page in another tab, we can see that there is no navigation option right here to track our product. So what we'll do is we'll click on main menu right here. We'll click on add menu item, and over here we'll just say track your order, and then we'll just simply click on here and click on pages, and just simply select track your order option and click on add. And now we have the track your order option right here. We'll click on save. We'll click on our tab where our website is. We'll reload the page, and now we have the track your order option in the navigation menu. So now people can just simply click on it, enter in their tracking number, and track their order status. So next step, what we're going to do is we're going to add a confirmation message that is going to be sent to people when they, place an order. So like this one right here, as you can see, thank you for purchase. This is the simple message, the default message that you would get, right? We're going to change this up a little bit. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to come back over here onto your Shopify store and click on settings, right? It's going to open up this tab right here. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on notifications, right? Notifications, you're going to open up right here. And in here, just scroll down to shippings and you will see you have shipping confirmation message, all right, set to automatically, right? You're going to click on shipping confirmation message, and over here, this is the order. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on edit code to edit this entire code out, right? And over here, this is the entire body of your HTML code. What you're going to do is you're going to select all and you're going to delete. Pretty simple. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to have this piece of code right here and you're going to copy it and paste it. Now, note that there is a highlighted line right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in like so. As you can see, what this is basically here, you're going to paste the link of your tracking page, right? So this page right here, you're just simply going to copy the link, right? And you're going to paste it right here when you've pasted the code. So let's zoom out and just simply select and copy this piece of code right here. We're going to scroll down and copy this piece of code like so, and we're going to copy it. We're going to come back over here and we're going to paste this code in the body. Now, we're going to find that line or that HTML line. It should be around here. There we go. Around line number 102. So this is for me. This is the line that I have. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the tracking number page or tracking order page over here, copy the link, and we're going to highlight this bar within these columns or annotations, and we're going to paste our link. There we go, like so. And then we're going to click on save. Now, if we go back to notifications, scroll down, go into shipping confirmation message. Now, as you can see, our message is quite different. We have a tracking order number as well that is going to replace. This is going to be generated automatically because of the piece of code. Don't worry about it. Now, whenever someone, copies it, they'll place the code right here and click on track. And if they have the order, the map will be shown right here. But right now, since I don't have this order, since this was not an order, this was for an example, of course it's going to have there is no order. So, but don't worry, whenever someone buys it, they're going to get an email like so, like I have over here, but I don't have the order. This was the new one that we've created. That is going to have the tracking order number, and they're going to have the tracking order number. They're going to copy it, go to the tracking order page and paste it, and it's going to show them the order is being tracked. So that's how you do it. That's how you add tracking order numbers to your product, and how you can add your own custom tracking order page, and how you can change the email and where you can find the tracking order. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.